What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Drama erupted at Kasarani Stadium during CHAN 2024, and now CAF has pulled the plug on ticket sales across the board. Here's what went down and why Kenya's bid to host big football is on the ice. Now, the 2024 African Nations Championship, or CHAN 2024, stretched across Kenya, Uganda and Tanzania, got off to a thrilling start. It was Africa's biggest local league tournament, rescheduled to August 2025, featuring 19 teams battling for continental pride. On Sunday, August 10th, 2025, Harambee Stars stunned the nation and Morocco with a 1-0 win at a packed Moi International Sports Center, Kasarani. But off the pitch, something was cooking. Reports show fans with seemingly valid tickets were denied entry, discovering the mid-up when scanners indicated the tickets had already been used. Prices ranged from 300 to 1,000 Kenyan shillings, and many fell victim to unverified vendors selling the same ticket multiple times. Chaos intensified as fans scaled fences, forcing their way in. Security backed under pressure. Gate 11 became a scene of near stampede, overcrowding, unauthorized entries, a media center overrun. Even tear gas was deployed to quell the havoc. In response, the Confederation of African Football (CAF) took decisive action, freezing ticket sales for all upcoming fixtures at Kasarani, including the highly anticipated Kenya versus Zambia clash. CAF's disciplinary and safety committees have launched formal investigations to determine next steps, sanctioning what could become a pattern of consequences if Kenya fails to improve matchday security. This isn't Kenya's first brush with CAF's wrath. Early in the tournament, during the opening match against DRC Congo on August 3rd, Kasarani saw similar lapses, drawing a 2.5 million Kenyan shillings fine for fan mismanagement, unauthorized access, and assaults on CAF officials. Authorities, including Interior Principal Secretary Raymond Omolo, admitted delayed stewards deployment contributed to the chaos, but promised improvements, pointing to Kenya's AFCON's 2027 ambitions riding on every safe, seamless match day. Disappointed fans demanded accountability. Many dubbed ticket scammers felt cheated and unsafe. Now calls are rising for transparent online ticketing, bulk purchase limits, and real-time verification systems to ensure only legitimate supporters make it in. With Kenya co-hosting CHAN, expectations were sky high. Now, these security failures threaten not just a tournament, but the nation's footballing credibility. CAF's freeze and probing spotlight serious cracks in readiness. Kasarani may have revealed in victory on the pitch, but off it, the scene was a mess of chaos. CAF's ticket freeze in more than a penalty. It's a wake-up call. The question now is, can Kenya clean house in time? Or will this misstep derail its football aspirations? Stay with us as we follow CAF's investigations and Kenya's effort to reclaim its reputation. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll keep bringing you the pulse of the game on and off the field.